the ultimate Google Calendar HEX code guide. Our lives are full of moments that we want to record, add dates and times to, and even use in our marketing efforts. Google Calendar is a great tool for that, but one unfortunate piece of information about the calendar is its inability to take advantage of HEX codes, so much so that there are some limitations to what you can do. One day, however, AI might actually find a way around this by being able to recognize HEX codes and expand its capabilities. The news out of this week's Google I/O keynote was that Google had announced the plan to release AI tools that allowed consumers in their homes or businesses to control or automate their devices using voice. And when I got home, the next evening, my phone started buzzing loudly around 10 o'clock p.m., so I quickly muted the alarm and went to my wife's computer to answer it. Instead of being greeted by a chirpy hello on her phone, which she has. What is a Google Calendar? Google Calendar is a free web-based calendar service offered by Google. It can be used to manage appointments, tasks, and events. Enter your Google Calendar if you use Google Calendar. The ultimate code guide is the one for you. This will teach you how to use all of the codes and features that are available for your calendar. Get a Google Apps account. This is your new workspace. Google Calendar settings start using your new assistant. Google Assistant works for your mobile devices, phones and computers. When the time comes that you are ready to use your new assistant, it is time to get the devices set up. Start with getting the mobile apps set up. There are 3 apps available for Android users. The Google Home app, we will call it just. How to add Google Calendar events. Adding Google Calendar events to your calendar can be easy, with just a few simple steps. In this guide, we will show you how to add a new event, change the name or location of an event, and delete an event from your calendar. How to add appointments in Google Calendar. If you want to be able to add appointments in Google Calendar, you'll first need to create an account and sign in. Once you're logged in, click the gears icon in the top right corner and select Settings. In the Settings page, click on the More button 3 lines on the left and then click on Add Appointment. In the Add Appointment box, enter your name, email address, and calendar name if you have one, and then hit Add. Google will create a new appointment for you and give you the corresponding HEX code. If you don't have a calendar name yet, Google will default to Google Calendar. You can now copy and paste this HEX code into any website or application that supports appointment booking. How to import your calendar onto other calendars. If you want to share a calendar with someone else or want to keep multiple calendars in sync, you can easily import your calendar into other Google calendars. Here's how. 1. Log into your Google account. 2. Click on Calendar in the upper left corner of the home screen. 3. Click on Add an event. 4. Paste the calendar URL into the location field and click on Save button. 5. If you want to add additional calendars to this view, copy the heart file or hashed address of one of your other calendars and paste it into the calendar URL field of Step 4. For example, if you have a calendar named Family and another calendar named Work, you would enter Export or print your schedule or multiple schedules. Export your schedule or multiple schedules to PDF, Excel, or Google Calendar. Email and mail your schedules. Send the whole plan, one section at a time, by email with Zip Plus for shipping tracking and USPS First Class, Priority Express shipping options. This is easy and temporary file sharing. You can click on Download to work on the schedule seamlessly. Printing or mailing your divisions or multiple schedules. Export your schedule or multiple schedules to PDF or Excel. Bitmap of your files as GIF files for Facebook profile pic and display positions on our website are available upon request. Conclusion. If you're looking to create a custom Google Calendar agenda with more detailed information, use the HEX code format. This guide provides all the necessary steps so you can create an event using this format in minutes. True